Looking to upgrade your home decor with a rug that's both stylish and practical? Introducing the CAMILSON Easy Jute Rug, the perfect solution for your living room, kitchen, patio, or any space in your home. This rug combines the rustic charm of a farmhouse design with a modern boho twist, adding a touch of elegance wherever you place it. Its sleek, woven texture looks just like natural jute, but without the drawbacks. Made from high-quality polypropylene, it's durable and won't unravel, crack, or shred over time. With a low pile height of just 3 inches, this rug easily fits under furniture and won't obstruct doorways, making it ideal for high-traffic areas like hallways and entryways. Cleaning has never been easier. The CAMILSON rug is designed for easy maintenance. Just vacuum it once or twice a week, or spot clean with mild detergent when necessary. You can even wash it with a hose for a quick outdoor refresh. Whether inside your living room or outside on your patio, this rug brings a level of sophistication that fits any space. Its weather-resistant material makes it perfect for outdoor areas, ensuring it stands up to the elements without losing its beauty. Available in the versatile size of 9x12, the CAMILSON Easy Jute Rug is perfect for large spaces. And with its neutral dark gray and black tones, it complements any color scheme, giving your home an instant refresh. Crafted with care in Turkey, CAMILSON rugs bring you years of expertise in high-quality rug production. We're dedicated to giving you the best products and the best experience, ready to transform your home. Order the CAMILSON Easy Jute Rug today and add a touch of elegance, durability, and comfort to your space. Click the link below to shop now. Upgrade your space today. Shop the CAMILSON Easy Jute Rug now. Link in description for buy this. Bring home timeless design and quality with CAMILSON.